What if a building's window could generate electricity? As our cities grow bigger and taller, space is becoming a scarce and expensive resource. Buildings represent 40% of the global energy consumption, and future buildings are expected to produce on-site much of the energy they consume using renewable and clean energy sources. However, there's little room for them on rooftops in urban environments. What if we could transform the windows and glass facades of these buildings into clean energy producers? Imagine glass-covered skyscrapers becoming electricity-generating towers. That's where photovoltaic windows come into play.
At INL, we are developing semi-transparent photovoltaic devices that turn sunlight into electricity while letting some light pass through, seamlessly blending functionality and design. Our technology involves creating micro-sized solar cell stripes on the glass surface. These stripes are so small they're invisible to the human eye from a distance, allowing the window to look like a normal pane of glass.
The stripe spacing can be adjusted to control how much light passes through versus how much energy is generated. The more transparent the window, the less electricity it produces, and vice versa. The solar cells are made up of a multi-layer structure that includes zinc oxide, doped with aluminum, intrinsic zinc oxide, a non-toxic transparent buffer layer, a CIGS, and a transparent conductive oxide back contact, all supported by the glass substrate. But how do we make these devices? It all starts by cleaning the glass. This ensures the surface is ready for the next step. Then we move to the clean room, where we pattern the microstripes using photolithography, creating trench-like structures on the glass surface. We then fill these trenches with solar cell materials using a thin film deposition technique called magnetron sputtering. Once the material is applied, we remove the excess and recycle it to minimize waste. Finally, we add a transparent layer that allows light to pass through while still enabling electricity generation.
Through this innovation, we are not only aiming at making buildings more sustainable, but also creating a cleaner and greener future for our cities.